This Mark 7 Golf GTD came in for our stage 1 paint correction and fully warranted 3-year ceramic coat. Now, the full process with this, the customer got in contact with ourselves to basically discuss his needs and wants with the vehicle. He'd only just bought this vehicle not that long ago. He wanted to give it a new lease of life, really, without obviously getting a lot of the things painted on the vehicle. Once we'd done that, we then booked it in a day that was convenient for ourselves and for him. And from there, obviously got it on the morning of that booking date. On the morning, we then fully decontaminated the exterior of the vehicle. That's basically where we're giving the vehicle a good wash to remove any tar, brake dust, and other contaminants from the pores of the paintwork to prepare it for the paint correction process. Like I mentioned before, we did opt for a stage 1 paint correction on this vehicle. With our stage 1 package, it does offer a paint correction factor of 65%. So we are looking to remove at least 65% of swirl marks and defects. It is more of a gloss restoration package. So if you are looking for something a bit more, to the perfect side with the vehicle to get the car absolutely immaculate, stage 1 wouldn't really be, suitable for yourself. It'd be more kind of a stage 2. But for the customer's budget and his needs and what he wanted to achieve with his car, the stage 1 is all we opted for. Once we basically revived the gloss level to the car, as you can see before us here, really got that depth and clarity to the paint. We then want to protect it to keep the condition that it's in now going forward via ceramic coating. Now, for you out there who don't know what a ceramic coating is, a ceramic coating is basically a liquid polymer-based coating, which is just so much more harder wearing than, waxes, sealants that you might have used in the past. It's still going to give the same gear protection benefits and protect from all the environmental factors of day-to-day use, things like bird muck, tree sap, and iron fallout, but it just lasts so much longer. So you're not going to have to be out there every other weekend re-waxing the vehicle and obviously spending that time and effort to basically get it back to a good condition and keep it protected. We fully warrant all of our ceramic coatings for that be a 3, 5 or 7 year coating. Obviously, it all depends on how long you plan to keep the vehicle for, but we do fully warrant it against degrading, peeling and things like that. So if you ever have any issues with your ceramic coating whatsoever, you can bring the vehicle back to us and we'll do the job again completely free. As you can see, we've given this vehicle a new lease of life. There is still a few defects in it, to be brutally honest, but like I said, we do only offer a stage 1, which was suitable for the customer's budgets and needs. Like I say, we offer a wider variety of services that suit everyone's wants and needs, and it all depends on down client to client really and what's best suitable for him. If you are interested in this being done to your vehicle, please give us a call at 01670 334 140 or comment on this post saying quote, and a member of our sales team will be in contact with you as soon as possible.